You've probably seen the videos. A creator hits a button, and in exactly 10 seconds, a fully formatted, SEO-optimized blog post assembles itself on WordPress. The promise is simple. You feed a trending topic into an AI tool, and it handles the keyword research, the writing, the image generation, and the publishing. You never have to touch a keyboard. But publishing an article is free. Generating a $10,000 a month income requires getting people to actually pull out their credit cards. Whether you are relying on affiliate marketing, digital products, or brand sponsorships, all of those revenue streams run on the same currency. Readers have to trust your recommendation enough to click and buy. That leaves us with a practical question. Can a website built on 10-second, untouched AI articles generate reliable income? Or is it a fast track to zero traffic and search engine penalties? Let's look at this comparison table. On the left is the viral promise. You have an idea, the AI writes it, and you make cash. On the right is the actual business model required to succeed today. The expectation side misses the most important variable. When AI writes directly to a live web page, the element of trust is bypassed. Looking at the reality side, a profitable system looks different. Here, automation wraps around human strategy and editing to accelerate the process. Building a $10,000 a month business requires using automation to multiply your reach through a smart distribution ecosystem. Automation provides leverage. Deploying it to write unedited, generic content simply scales failure. Let's evaluate the mechanics of that first approach, the fully automated illusion, so you can see exactly where it breaks down. This chart shows the zero-work workflow. You connect a free large language model directly to WordPress through an automation platform like make.com, pumping out dozens of articles a day. On the surface, the immediate outcome is impressive. You can build a massive, fully interlinked website with zero financial cost and very little time spent. But the trade-off is severe. Because the AI lacks original insight or actual product testing, the content fails to satisfy search intent. Readers leave immediately, resulting in zero affiliate conversions. The alternative is the hybrid AI content workflow. Here is the updated flowchart. You still use AI to ideate topics and generate outlines, but you insert a mandatory bottleneck, a node for human editing. You manually add real-world examples, verify facts, and adjust the tone before it hits WordPress. The outcome here is different. The final article genuinely helps the reader, ranks higher, and establishes you as an authority in your niche. The trade-off is that your publishing speed drops. You are trading rapid scaling for the quality required to build a business. Full automation wins on sheer volume, but the hybrid model is the strategy that generates the trust required to hit real revenue goals. Since you aren't using automation to write the articles, you should focus your tools on what happens after you hit publish. You need a distribution automation engine. This visual shows the system in action. When you publish a post on WordPress, automated triggers like RSS feeds fire instantly. That single article automatically generates a Substack newsletter, a tailored LinkedIn post, and a batch of Pinterest pins. One piece of high-value content is repurposed across the web, driving compounding traffic back to your main site. Keep in mind, the trade-off here is upfront friction. It takes time to configure these workflows and map the APIs so everything talks to each other. Once the traffic starts flowing back to your site, you need the final piece of the system, the monetization flywheel. Relying on passive display ads requires hundreds of thousands of monthly visitors to make a living. To change the math, you have to actively capture email subscribers. Look at this flywheel. When you own the audience through an email list, you can pitch digital products or affiliate offers directly to a dedicated group. This lowers the traffic volume you need to hit $10,000 a month. Mathematically, this cycle protects you. You are no longer reliant on an algorithm handing you viral traffic just to keep the lights on. The trade-off is that this flywheel demands new skills. You have to learn persuasive copywriting and manage an email automation system. Building this ecosystem is complex. It requires treating automation as your administrative assistant, handling repetitive distribution, rather than as your lead writer. Automation creates financial leverage by multiplying the reach and revenue of the words you actually wrote. People only buy from sources they trust. and trust is the one variable that refuses to be automated. To figure out which system matches your goals, let's look at this quadrant chart mapping time investment against revenue potential. In the bottom left quadrant, we have fully automated 10-second blogs. This approach requires very low time, but yields low revenue. There is a legitimate use case for this. If you are an SEO tester who needs to spin up dummy sites quickly to test indexing speeds, this is highly efficient. But if your goal is to replace your day job, this approach will likely fail. The lack of quality prevents long-term growth. In the top right quadrant is our target profile, hybrid content paired with an automated distribution ecosystem. It demands more time up front, but it carries high revenue potential. Achieving this revenue target requires building your assets manually and then using automation to push that value into every available distribution channel. Heavily guard the core value of your website. Use actual human insight and experience to ensure every article you publish is worth reading. A sustainable $10,000 a month income is built on the foundation of smart systems rather than high-volume spam.